Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And yes, this is the Gixxer 250 SF in the 100-year edition variant. So this is a special edition from the House of Suzuki because they have completed 100 years and this represents their 100-year success. You can see the bike really looks awesome in this special silver and blue color trim. So what you get special is the Suzuki logo that's there in red color. So it's not silver color like the other Suzuki bikes. So that's there, and you can see the silver that goes till the tail and accompanied with the Suzuki S-Star logo on both the sides and S-Star logo on this side also. So overall the color scheme of this particular Gixxer 250 SF really looks premium, and to be frank, the build quality is also been updated from the BS6 variant. Not much have been done, but the overall build quality is impressive in this bike. I mean, the quality of the plastic that's been used on the tank or even the switch gear. So guys, you get a clip-on handlebar that's really awesome for doing some cornering stuff, and overall the plastic quality is also above average. So you get a negative LCD unit here that provides basic information. It doesn't give you plethora of information like the other bikes, but what it gives is the information that you require, like a gear shifting indicator, speedometer, of course, fuel gauge, trip meters, time. So you can change here, like it also shows the battery voltage. So voltmeter is also there, ABS indicator is there, and engine malfunction indicator is there. So those are there. You get a engine kill switch here. So here is the ignition, the pass switch, the high beam and low beam. Here are the indicators, the horn. You get a 12-liter capacity with this bike, and coming onto the front, you get this beautiful LED headlamp setup. Now to be frank, it's not that much beautiful, but yes, it does it work, and it does it pretty well. So at front you get quite fatter forks, and this tire is a 110 section MRF Revs F tire, and that's around 300 mm disc, because Suzuki has not revealed the diameter of it, so it would be near like 300 to 310 mm, coming with the bi-brake calipers. So this also gets dual channel ABS with it. That is excellent. Now what you can see is there is only single horn, you don't get dual horn with it, so that is kind of a bummer. But you also get a Suzuki's oil cooling technology with it, so that performs really well, and heating is not that much absorbed with this technology. It gets a 249cc oil cooled engine that makes around 26.5 bhp of power and 22.2 Nm peak torque at near around 7300 rpm. The power delivery is really awesome, and you get the torque instantly. The throttle response is quite good with this bike, and here is the stubby exhaust, Suzuki's dual port exhaust, that really sounds well. So I'll just switch it on and just listen to the sound. I hope you like it, because the sound is quite bassy and it's quite grunty. That's really awesome. The seat height is 800 mm guys, so any rider ranging from 5'7" to 6 can really enjoy this bike. They will have no problem at all reaching the leg down. Coming on to the rear tire, it's a 150 section fatter tire. Now it's a MRF Revs C tire. Now both the tires are radial. You also get this brushed aluminum rims on both the sides. Now this is also the bi-brake caliper. You get a decent mudguard that actually helps quite a lot, and there are mud flaps here so that the mud is not spilled on the pillion. The grab handles are quite good quality, and they are quite useful to hold on, and they provide good confidence. Now the foot peg position is slightly on the center set, so you will be sitting slight leaning position, so that is kind of comfortable, you could say. And coming on to this rear view mirrors, they provide decent view, not that much good view. The tail lamp here is beautifully placed here. I mean, it looks really good because it is flushed with the rear panel, so the tail lamp really shine well. And another thing is, it doesn't get LED blinkers, so that's kind of a bummer. Coming on to the rear suspension, it gets a monoshock at the rear and a telescopic fork at front. So that is the overview of the all new 2021 Gixxer SF. The bike looks gorgeous, and it really looks premium in this particular 100-year anniversary edition. The cost of the bike is 2.12 lakh rupees, so 2,12,300 approx is the on-road price. What I'm saying, the price may vary from like state to state, so it will be different in your state also, like 1 to 1,000 rupees difference. So that is the Suzuki Gixxer SF.